We're going to the picnic! Just an hour and 17 minutes from where we started. The sky was clear, painted with soft, beautiful clouds drifting gently above. No dark clouds, no heavy skies, just the perfect kind of brightness that makes you want to keep driving. The road was wide open, smooth, and peaceful. On both sides, quiet grass fields rolled past with mountains in the distance standing tall and calm. Every stretch of road felt like a deep breath. Wow, it's beautiful. So calming. As the road stretches on, the scenery just keeps getting better. Towering evergreens line the highway, their deep green color painting the landscape with life. It's all greenery as far as the eye can see, fresh, calm, and full of that mountain's air magic. This really is the best season to visit Colorado. Whether you're heading up into the mountains or down by the lakes, nature puts on a full display. It's not just a drive, it's an experience. Once you feel in the air and the views and in every quiet moment between the turns. The road winds gently down the mountain, curling through the corner after corner. Windows down, the breeze flows in, cool, crisp, and full of pine. Through the side mirror, a quiet moment unfolds. Waffle, my dog, sitting in the back seat, leans into the open window, ears gently flirting, eyes wide and calm, completely lost in the view. It's like even she knows this isn't just a drive, it's a moment to feel small in something big and beautiful. And just like that, we're back on the road, curves ahead, mountains around, and nothing but nature to guide us forward.
Uh-oh.
What?
You never brought forks or anything.
That's why you have to think for me.
Uh-oh.
We brought everything except utensils. So I don't know how we're gonna eat this. Wish us luck. Beautiful place for picnic. This is
Echo Lake.
Echo Lake. We're here for the picnic area. Hey Waffle. Hi Waffle. She's all about treats. She doesn't care about me right now. Well, this is what we brought. This whole thing. Cup ramyeon and everything. But everything but chapstick. I don't know how we're gonna eat this. 네, 숟가락과 젓가락이 없어요.
We made a mistake.
이 팝시cle.
Not happy.
It's okay. It's all chuo. You want some? You want to try some?
Yeah.
I'll see what I can. Okay, now,
Yeah.
have you eaten ramen with the popsicle stick?
No.
It's gotta be a first time us ever. Okay, let's have you try this. How is it? Good?
Mm.
It's getting better and better.
Waffle, what are you doing? Come here.
Should I put this in here?
No.
Mm.
Gone.
Where?
It's right there.
Blue Jay. Oh, she's fast. Or he, whatever. Where did it go? Right there? Right there. Blue Jay. Blue Jay. She's coming towards us. No, she's not. Back to this one here. We've been eating all this with this one popsicle stick. Yep. Yes, and he's enjoying the corn.
And Waffle, where are you? Where is she? Oh, right there. She's staring at him. Say, give me some too. Can you move your head? That face. Put the flame down a little bit. Should I add more? No,
No,
that's enough.
because you still have the soup as well.
Yeah.
Don't add any more water though.
I think I should, because it's too salty if we don't do that. No.
Fine, just a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. These mosquitoes.
I know there's so many mosquitoes here. Thank you. I brought the spray, mosquito spray. We're in the forest with Waffle.
Waffle, stop eating mud.
Waffle! How is it? Okay.
How to tell we're Korean without actually saying we're Korean? Yup, we brought ramen. And my mother-in-law made this amazing chicken stir-fry with mushrooms, plus sweet corn on the side. Honestly, who needs a restaurant when you've got food like this and a view like that? Picnic level Korean family unlocked. There's a lake just over that hill, but hey, views can wait, lunch can't. So we grabbed a picnic table and dug in. Nothing beats a good meal with fresh air and good company. Finally, we made it to Echo Lake. Just look at this view, absolutely breathtaking. The calm water, the mountains, the sky, it's like nature just showed off a little for us today.
Oh, Waffle made a friend. Oh, Waffle made a friend. Hello. It's a beautiful lake here. Oh. Honey, wait for me. Whoa, it's like a Teletubby land here. Beautiful. Ooh. Where are we? Echo Lake. We're in the Echo Lake.
See, no boating. This thing's only like 3 feet tall.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're not gonna drain yourself here. That's good. Waffle, can you give me a look? Waffle, chicken. Gosh,
Sit.
really? That's okay, let's go.
Oh my gosh, look, ducks! They're swimming this way. How cute is that?
Waffle, look, duckies. Look, duckies.
Hi! Are you having fun? I am too. Such a beautiful. I know. Ooh, it's a beautiful place here. It's a hidden gem. Woohoo!
So we continued to walk all the way to the end of the lake. Waffle is having so much fun today. And there are another ducks over there. Now Waffle got to see the ducks. She's busy sniffing around the places. She's so excited. Daddy Jim tried to show Waffle there's more ducks out there in the water. Finally, she's looking at the ducks and looking back at the daddy. Family trip, yay, Waffle.
Yay! It's beautiful. Look at this, surrounded by beautiful nature. You're freezing?
It's cold.
Okay, let's get some sunlight here.
And there's more ducks in the water, busy swimming around, trying to eat their meal. Look at the view. Isn't that beautiful? It's everywhere. It's like a hidden gem. It's a beautiful place here. Beautiful weather. Such a nice weather we have today. Clear sky. And I love water and love watching, staring at the ducks. And we continue walking towards the end of this lake. It's a dead end, so we had to come back around here again. Instead of going around the whole lake, we have to walk back to where we started. Just enjoy this view. And looks like Waffle wants to go in the water. Well, that's way too close. Might be a little dangerous for you, little buddy. Okay, maybe not. Maybe she's looking for a place to pee. Who knows? Okay, now we're heading back home now. It's gonna take us another good 1 hour or two, but I will enjoy this scenic view. My hubby is driving. Oh, that was way too close. I'm just gonna enjoy this view now. Oh, looks like Waffle wants to see outside the window, but every time we roll down the window, she keeps going back in her seat. So her daddy don't want to open the window this time.
Waffle, come here. Hi, hi, hi. Waffle, come here. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Waffle.
When sometimes Waffle don't respond to her name, we call her Chicken, and then she responds right back and looks at us.
I love you. Oh, oh, oh,
Come here, Waffle. Come here.
I'm not that fat. I'm not that fat. She thinks everything I put in my mouth is food. That's why she come near me. Right, Waffle? Yeah.
My Waffle wants to see out the window again, so we rolled it down this time again. Look at her lovely face. All right, this is the story of our picnic today. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.